Hello everyone, dear viewers, TUNTUN SAHUR.
Hi, tralalelo, tralala.
Today we will watch Poppy Playtime Gusini Bombardini.
Oh, it's already starting. Let's go, Chimpanzini Bananini.
And maybe your parents aren't giving you enough attention as well. Well, say no.
While the screensaver is on, go to the toilet.
Never doll that can carry a conversation with a child. Hard to believe? Just watch.
Just as in
Ooh, cool doll all by myself.
information and memory must be filtered out to stimulate the evolution of the species.
And you think you're qualified to decide what's necessary and not?
That doll look scares me.
I never trust dolls, and never will.
Ooh, art is an explosion.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing with my hat?
Are you tired of getting your head?
Smoking is harmful to your health. Don't smoke, guys.
Introducing the biggest invention of the century. It's so big, it's bigger than your mama.
Wow, he took off so cool. Don't even think about taking this key.
Oops, run without looking back.
I advise you not to go to him.
This is what happens if you don't look at your feet.
If I were him, I would cry after this.
What in God's name?
Please give me Huggy Wuggies.
This monster moves so cool.
What's this? Aurora? Notice his earbuds.
Back off, you!
Please don't touch him.
Good shot, right on target.
Hard to believe?
I obviously did not expect such a plot.
Please, don't do this to dolls. Oh, how bad they are doing.
Wake up.
So it was all a dream?
He came down so beautifully.
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man by the name of Elliot Ludwig. Divorced, but a family man. His sights were always set on
I told you not to trust dolls.
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
That's what he did in vain right now. The doll will take revenge. If I had been there instead, I wouldn't have run away.
Sweet, so
Oh, it's all over for him.
sure that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Instead,
contrary, it seems to me that he will throw both of them down.
That's what an expert means.
Integral of product of parentheses x minus x to the 3 over 2 plus x to the 5 over 2 multiplied by 4 minus x to the 7 over 2.
Seems like an easy task. I hope he solves it.
Multiplied by parentheses 1 plus x squared over 2 squared plus x to the 4 over 2 squared multiplied by 4 squared plus x to the 6 over 2 squared multiplied.
Wow, he's messing around with math.
Infinite summing parentheses multiplied by derivative as minus x to the 3 over 2 plus x to the 5 over 2 multiplied.
I never liked this math.
Never mind, he scattered everyone.
Wow, he is so strong.
That's a beautiful dog.
There will be a screamer right now.
I wonder if he farted at that moment, what would happen?
Remember, if you have something behind you, run.
He's so fearless in front of the camera.
At this moment, I felt sorry for her.
Nice.
If this monster came out, it would be awesome.
Oops, now it's going to explode.
What's the time? Playtime!
Cool. Looking forward to the next part.
What's a catnap, mother?
Ooh, party. I love the party.
I don't understand what's going on here.
Well, the police are done with the party.
That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward to the next video.